la 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 la. Ba-da-da, ba-da-ba-da-da, la-di-da.
Good morning, guys! Well, nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan kasi meron tayong client ngayon na pupuntahan. Tapos meron din tayong training later. So, puntahan ko muna yung client tsaka tayo pupunta ng training mamaya. So, samahan niyo ako today sa aking isang buong araw na pagtatrabaho. And sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. As in, sobrang lamig. Freezing, siya. I don't know, pero para akong nasa loob ng ref, ganun siya, kalamig. As in iba, ang lamig ngayong araw nito. But anyway, let's go! And halika na, kasi it's 6:47 current time. So, maaga tayong pupunta sa kanya para maaga tayong makarating sa training kasi mamaya magbabasa lang ako from dun sa bahay nila. Dahil hindi ko pa kaya makapag-drive dun sa area ng training kung saan ako magta-training. So, tara!
We flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together.
So we're here na, guys, sa my town. Naglalakad lang ako papunta doon sa training center natin. So yeah.
When we're together, there are no wrong turns. You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You drop slow and I'll keep talking fast. Faster than your ears can listen. Nothing out there that we're missing anyhow. I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each
Hey guys, so it's our break time. So hanap muna tayo ng makakainan dito sa may town. Sobrang lamig.
wrong turns. When we're together, there are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. As long as there's love left to burn.
So we're here, guys, sa may Primark. Tingin lang tayo ng outfit natin for Sunday. Pero winter, na sila, mga winter clothes na yung damit nila dito.
Turns. When we're together, we'll live in the moment like it's all we know. We got all the time in the world. There are no wrong turns. Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. and I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time. I'm falling through the sky for you. I promise not gonna lie. Showing more of this side. A victim of different lies, but I might try for one of a kind. I might try for you can see through oversight, baby, yeah.
Yeah, one time for my girl back home. Say this twice so you won't feel alone. My love for
Hey guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Big Church event. Isang malaking event ng mga Christian churches dito sa buong UK. Once a year lang to, te. So, ayan, may mga campers dyan sa likod. Pero kami one day event lang yung pinuntahan namin. Sobrang very different experience. Sobrang ganda.
You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time. I'm falling through the sky.
feel alone. My love for you has
Big church. That's great, one that's great, alone is Savior. Are y'all coming to the big church? One that's great, one that's great, alone. Your name is sunflower, my God. Towards my God. I know you take care of that. Because I'm in my door, you know I'm
Hello everyone! Good morning! Another day, another vlog. Today ay off ko. Finally, nagkaroon tayo ng off this week. So, ngayon, nanalo ako sa raffle ng office namin. And they booked me for a facial. So, magpapa-facial tayo ngayon. And I'll be tagging you along with me doon sa facial center or kung saan man ako magpapa-facial. But I hope makapag-vlog tayo today. Tapos kasamahan ko si ate. So makakapasyal tayo ngayon kasi kasama natin si ate. And ayan, basta samahan nyo kami today sa aming pamamasyal, facial, and kung ano pang pwede natin gawin later. See you there!
Who do you call when the doll goes missing? 1,000 three ways and the world keeps twisting. Wrapped up in shades that are just like faces.
Morning!
Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend. Make me perfect. Close the case. Pose me right then. Hide your face. Tutunde, tutunde. Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend. Close my arms and twist my hair. Place me soft with plastic eyes. Kurunde,
Get here. Can we have half the chicken wings? Oh, this one, the wings.
Original one or? Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend.